this room rests the greatest responsibility that has come to a body of Americans in 3 generations. In the lesser sense, this is a convention of a great political party. But in the larger sense, it is a convention of Americans determined to determine the fate of those ideals for which this nation was founded. That part transcends all partisanship. That, to some people, it appears to be a strange interlude in American history, in that it has no philosophy, that it is sheer opportunism, that it is a muddle of a spoiled system of emotional economics, of reckless adventure, of unctuous claims to a monopoly of human sympathy, of greed for power, or a desire for popular acclaim and an aspiration to make the front pages of the newspapers. To some people, that is the most charitable view. To other people, it appears to be a cold-blooded attempt by starry-eyed boys to infect the American people with a mixture of European ideas flavored with our native predilection to get something for nothing. Now in Central Europe, the march of socialist and fascist dictatorships and their destruction of liberty did not set out with guns and armies. Dictators began their ascent to the seats of power through the elections provided by liberal institutions. Their weapons were promise and hate. They offered the mirage of utopia to those in distress. They flung out the poison of class hatred. They may not have maimed the bodies of men, but they have maimed their souls. At expense. If there are any items in this stage in the march of European collectivism that the New Deal has not imitated, it must have been an oversight. You might contemplate what would have happened if Mr. Roosevelt could have appointed enough Supreme Court justices in the first year of his administration. Suppose that these New Deal acts had remained upon the statute books, we would have been a regimented people. And have you any assurance that he will not have those appointments if he is re-elected? And let me say this. America is no monarchy where the chief of state is not responsible for his ministers. It has been traditional in our government ever since the beginning that the important officials appointed by the President speak in tune with his mind. That is imperative if there is to be intellectual honesty in government. President Roosevelt finds no difficulty in disciplining his officials. You can witness the